How to see Netflix download expiry date. To see your Netflix download expiry date, first what you want to do is you want to simply tap on My Netflix over here, tap on Downloads, and if you see any kinds of exclamation mark beside your downloaded videos, you want to simply tap on that exclamation mark and you'll be able to see your expiration date over there. However, if you are not seeing any kinds of icons of expiration countdown, means the title currently has plenty of time remaining, which is more than 7 days, or it does not have a strict studio expiration limit. Netflix only reveals those icons where a file enters its final expiration window. However, if you suspect a download is missing its icon due to an app glitch, you can force the app to refresh using these steps also. First, what you want to do is you want to simply close the app first and open it again. And if you don't see it either, likely the expiration date is not near at all. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.